Hi guys, Ninjas Hyper Numbers Fire here, and welcome back to another video. Today I've just got live news that there's actually, we live in Dunsandel in the Selwyn district, and I'm here with my friend Riley and Archie, and there's a tornado in Ashburton, and Ashburton is way over that way-ish, which is, I don't know, is that, what way? Like northwest, east, or south? I don't know. But look what way the wind is blowing. The wind is blowing that way, which is towards that way, so let's hope it doesn't hit us. Everyone's leaving work on our farm and going home. This is just crazy, man. Shut up. And comment down below if you think the tornado is going to hit us.
Yeah.
So either put yes or no, and
Fucking scary. No.
and like and stop being a pussy king. And like
Me.
if you like the video, or because I'm actually doing a giveaway soon. With I am so with one of my Nerf guns. It's this one over here. This one here, the Nerf Dual Strike, still perfectly goes. Mega rounds and rounds. So to end that giveaway, you just like the video and subscribe. And yeah, that's all I've got for today, really. Peace out. Calibre, go, boom!